Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to channel. So dear viewers, today I am thrilled to bring you an exceptional project beaming with countless opportunities you would not want to miss. Before we dive into the details, I would request to all new viewers subscribe my YouTube channel BitBloom Crypto and hit the bell icon. This way you will receive timely updates on all our future projects and never miss out on potential gains. Let's explore one of the most talked about names in Web3 right now, DeFi, the platform that's getting attention from major public figures and it's making big waves in the crypto world. So DeFi, a trusted brand with powerful backing, your DeFi portfolio tracker, control your digital assets with a full suite of innovative tools, invest confidently, supported by our auditing experts. So dear viewers, DeFi is not just another crypto project, it's recognized and reputable platform backed by Coinbase, OKX21 shares and Consensus. And guess what? Even Donald Trump Jr. is tweeting about DeFi and follows them on Twitter. Yes, really, I am repeating, Donald Trump Jr. is tweeting about the DeFi. Here you can check his tweets. Look forward to speaking at DeFi World 2025 on Wednesday, 26 February. So this is real news. And that's not all. Kevin O'Leary, the Shark Tank investor, also tweeted about DeFi. This shows massive interest from well-known global figures. So here you can check the Kevin O'Leary post about the DeFi. I am looking forward to speaking at DeFi conference on February 26th. Come join. So, and that's not all. DeFi has been building for over 5 years with a team of 50 plus professionals serving over 3 million users. That's huge credibility. It literally owns the DeFi domain and even the Twitter handle DeFi. That's how early and authoritative this team is in DeFi space. The platform powers CoinGecko and MetaMask via its API, and it even has testimonials from the executive of Binance, Polygon, and ZK Sync, Matter Labs, and Phantom. At their recent DeFi World 25 Congress event, 70 plus top tier speakers attended, including Donald Trump Jr. and Kevin O'Leary. That's a serious endorsement. And here you can check the big news that DeFi has just announced the launch of its own perp DEX similar to the Hyperliquid, and the could be a game changer. Hyperliquid currently has a market cap of 15 billion. Meanwhile, DeFi token has a market cap of just 5 million. That's potential 100x upside. Hyperliquid started with 2k users while the DeFi already has 3 million users who can immediately start using its now perp DEX. As of today, the perp DEX launch, it's live on their website and pinned tweet on Twitter. Go back, check it out. So I am personally buying a big bag of DeFi tokens because this is the first crypto project Donald Trump Jr. is publicly supporting, and I believe it might include in the portfolio of his company World Liberty Finance. So DeFi is preparing for a major perp DEX launch, possibly with Donald Trump Jr. backing DeFi. And here you can check that it has VTL tracked approximately 821 billion and 164k plus contracts tracked and 217 protocols with 23 networks, 7 million tokens and 40 plus team members and 3 million users. Here you can check the DeFi token users can take part in ecosystem, provide their vote on any governance proposal submitted by our community, as well as the benefit from their exclusive features within our platform. So you can get the details. And the next one is investors. You can check the big names of the industry. DeFi is backed by a range of leading venture capital firms and prominent DeFi investors from around the world. You can check the names. And here you can check our angels team. So this is the team of the DeFi, big name of the industry. You can check Justin Lee, you can check Kane Warwick and other many big names. And here you can check the exchange investors, and here you can check the key opinion leader investors. So these are the big names, and here you can check DeFi crypto antivirus testimonials, and here are the reviews of the different users and different participators, and here you can check the partners list. Thank you to the trusted partners and contribute to the best experience possible for users of the DeFi and big name of the industry. And here you can check built for people like you. The community reviews about the DeFi project, you can find out their reviews and that are available on the website. So here you can check the informed investing, so make better decisions and move quickly with our complete DeFi management tool set. So here you can check the management toolkit have been provided. Here is a centralized exchange list that in the DeFi dashboard you can also monitor your assets that are stored on these centralized exchanges. So big name like Binance, like Maxi Global, Qcoin, Kraken, and Coinbase, and Bitfinex. So big names. And here you can check the chains integrated with this project: Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Phantom, and many more. So here you can check the portfolio, the wallet, the claimable, and the deposit debit. So details have been provided. So this is the sample dashboard. Here you can check. You can check deposits. You can track your transactions, and you can also explore your deposits. You can also explore your yields. You can also check your review transactions, NFT, and many more features have been provided by the DeFi project. So, and here you can check the security. So DeFi works best when you are protected. Invest confidently with our advanced, easy to use security solutions. So the security system is very amazing. And here you can check the security details of shield, decline, risky allowances with our Pine security tool. It automatically check smart contracts for known security issues. So security is their first priority. And here you can check the scanner significantly mitigates DeFi risk with the scanner rapid. So an amazing feature. The next one is audit database. You can check any project audits with the world first audit database accessible via API, constantly growing at the 4,000 audits archive, free to use. And here you can check Racket database. And here you can check the DeFi industry experts book. You can buy this book through this platform, and here you can check the white paper. So all the details have been provided in the white paper. Just visit the website and download the white paper of the DeFi project. You can read out and you can find out. So if you want to send your views, you can join newsletter, no spam, only updates and interesting insights. You will have to put your name, and then you will have to enter your email address, and you can subscribe it. And here you can start your DeFi journey today. You will have to connect your wallet. So later I will explain. So if you have any question in your mind, you can get detailed answers. Still you have any question, you can put your question in the comment section of the video. You can get DeFi on 20 plus top exchanges, including KuCoin exchange. You can get DeFi on 20 plus top exchanges, including Bybit. So you can get it from Bybit. It's listed on more exchanges than any other Web3 project right now. So dear viewers, after connecting the compatible wallet, here you can check the dashboard of the DeFi, and here you can check the DeFi token interface on the official DeFi platform labeled under DeFi 2.0, indicating a more advanced or upgraded version of the project. At the top, we see important section of the platform, and here you can see that overview, burning dashboard, staking and referral and vesting history and airdrops. The tabs show that DeFi is not just a token but a complete ecosystem with various utilities for users to earn, participate, and track their activity. And now we will discuss about the token. So maximum APR is 40%, and here you can check that. This means users who participate in staking could earn up to 40% annual percentage return, which is quite attractive in DeFi terms. The platform also lists contracts addressed for the different chains. Here you can check the contracts for the Ethereum is available. Contracts for the BNB chain is also available. For the Solana is available, and for the Base is available. So you can participate and you can copy the full address from the site to verify, or Etherscan and BNB chain and Solana chain are also available. And you can also check that it shows that DeFi token is listed on 20 plus exchanges, and some of them shown here include, you can check the name, Bybit, KuCoin, BTSC, Gate.io, Bitmart, and many other names like Ethereum chain, BNB chain. So you can get the big name of the industry. This wide availability adds strong liquidity and accessibility to DeFi, allowing users from various regions and platforms to trade with ease. Now we will discuss burning dashboard. Here you can check the burning dashboard of the DeFi. The burning mechanism refers to the permanent removal of tokens from circulation, reducing the overall supply. DeFi uses this to help increase scarcity and boost the token's value over time. That dashboard likely shows how many tokens have been burned and when. So you can get the details. And the next one is the staking. So through the staking tab, users can lock their DeFi tokens to earn up to 40% APR. This rewards long-term holders and reduces market selling pressure. Staking helps secure the protocol while offering passive income. And the next one is the referral. So here you can check the referral system lets user invite friends or other crypto enthusiasts to DeFi. In return, they earn bonuses or commissions when their referrals users interact with the platform. A great way to grow the community organically. So the next one is the history. Here you can check the history of the DeFi project, and you can also check pro features. You can also address book, and you can also DeFi early access. So the next one is the airdrop event, and here you can check DeFi airdrops. This tab relates to the free token giveaway by the DeFi. Users may be eligible for airdrops by fulfilling certain tasks such as signing up, staking, referring others, or holding DeFi tokens during a snapshot. It's a way to reward early adopted and loyal users. So dear viewer, this is the Telegram community of DeFi, and I would suggest all my viewers to join the DeFi community to get real-time updates and announcements about the project. So, dear viewers, DeFi is bringing so many opportunities for you, and I would suggest all my viewers to be part of this amazing project. Finally, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. I hope you will continue to stay connected with our channel for more exciting projects, insights in the future. That's all for today. Until next time, take care, and I will see you in the next video.